Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ram ProMaster versus Ford Transit reliability. We'll dive into their common issues, maintenance considerations, and overall durability. Understanding these aspects will help you make an informed decision for your commercial or personal needs. We'll cover powertrain strengths, potential electrical concerns, and chassis differences to give you a clear picture of each van's long-term performance. The Ram ProMaster is known for its front-wheel drive system, which can offer advantages in certain conditions. Its powertrain, particularly the engine and transmission, often receives praise for its durability and ability to handle heavy loads. However, some owners have noted that electrical system components might require more attention over time, so it's something to keep in mind. The Ford Transit provides more drivetrain flexibility, with options for rear-wheel or all-wheel drive, catering to diverse needs. Its range of engine choices is generally well regarded for delivering strong performance and efficiency. While mechanically sound, some owners suggest paying attention to rust prevention, especially in areas with harsh weather, to maintain its longevity. When choosing between the ProMaster and Transit, consider your primary use, whether it's for heavy hauling or daily deliveries. Maintenance costs can differ, so research parts availability and typical service intervals. Both vans provide robust platforms for commercial applications, but their distinct characteristics in drivetrain and common issues should guide your decision for long-term reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.